Is it due to our genetic inheritance? Or lifestyle and habits affect our health? In this video we will give some tips, how to make health chase you. Be physically active every day. Physical activity means any body movement. This includes exercise and activities undertaken while working or playing. Adults aged 18 to 64 years should do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity throughout the week. Healthy diet plays the most important role. Eat a healthy diet rich in whole grains, lean protein, vegetables, and fruits. Be sure to get enough vitamin D and calcium in your daily diet. Consume less salt and sugar. More salt intake causes high blood pressure, which in turn increases the risk of heart disease and stroke. On the other hand, consuming excessive amounts of sugars increases the risk of tooth decay, unhealthy weight gain and diabetes. Reduce your salt intake to 5 grams per day or 1 teaspoon and sugar intake to 50 grams per day or 12 teaspoons per day. Reduce intake of harmful fats. Fats consumption should be less than 30% of your total energy intake. This will help prevent unhealthy weight gain. There are different types of fats, but unsaturated fats are preferable over saturated fats and trans fats. WHO recommends reducing saturated fats to less than 10% of total energy intake, reducing trans fats to less than 1% of total energy intake, and replacing both saturated fats and trans fats to unsaturated fats. The preferable unsaturated fats are found in fish, avocado and nuts, and in sunflower, soybean, canola and olive oils. Saturated fats are found in fatty meat, butter, palm and coconut oil, cream, cheese and ghee. Trans fats are found in baked and fried foods, prepackaged snacks and foods, such as frozen pizza, cookies, biscuits, and cooking oils and spreads. Get regular health checkups. Hypertension or high blood pressure is called a silent killer. Have your blood pressure checked regularly by a health worker so you know your numbers. If your blood pressure is high, get the advice of a health worker. If left uncontrolled, hypertension can lead to heart, brain, kidney and other diseases. Getting yourself tested is an important step in knowing your health status, especially when it comes to HIV, hepatitis B, sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and tuberculosis, TB. Left untreated, these diseases can lead to serious complications and even death. Knowing your status means you will know how to either continue preventing these diseases or, if you find out that you're positive, get the care and treatment that you need. Go to a public or private health facility, wherever you are comfortable, to have yourself tested. Get vaccinated. Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to prevent diseases. Vaccines work with your body's natural defenses to build protection against diseases. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can drive insulin resistance, can disrupt your appetite hormones, and reduce your physical and mental performance. People who do not get enough sleep tend to make food choices that are higher in fat, sugar, and calories, potentially leading to unwanted weight gain. Stay hydrated. Hydration is an important and often overlooked marker of health. Staying hydrated helps ensure that your body is functioning optimally and that your blood volume is sufficient. Drinking clean water is the best way to stay hydrated, as it's free of calories, sugar, and additives. Social relationships with friends, family, and loved ones you care about are important not only for your mental but also your physical health.